Welcome students to our demonstration on how to use Microsoft Word in creating APA citations. I'm your instructor, Furman Leopard, and I will be guiding you through this presentation. First of all, let's go over a few things to cover before we demonstrate on how to use the function. First of all, Microsoft Word offers several tools, not just the tool that we're going to go over today for writers and for creating documents that are helpful when doing so. However, we're going to focus on one particular function today, and that is using the function for creating citations. Now, remember, Microsoft Word is not the final authority on APA formatting. Rather, it's the publication manual of the American Psychological Association 6th edition. Another good tool to utilize for making sure that your work is correct is Purdue Owl's online writing lab, in which there's a link here provided for you. The bottom line, you as the student are responsible for ensuring the final product is in the proper format. A demonstration on how to use Microsoft Word to insert citations within a document. First, you'll notice when you look at the screen that I've already got a sentence that I have developed, and this is a direct quote from a book. Now what I need to add a citation. So if you follow the pointer, you go to the ribbon to the top and you go to references, and once you click on references, you'll see style, and under style you have the different options, and here we're going to be using APA that's already been selected. But if we do drop down, you'll see the different options here. However, again, we're using APA. And now what we need to do is we need to manage our sources before we insert our citation. So when I go to manage sources, you'll see I already have my book already established and already created here. And I got several that I'm not using that are over here in my master list, but this is my current list that I am using, and you can just move them back and forth as needed once you build them within the tool. So here, if I was going to create a new one, as you may have to, obviously, if you're using this yourself, you would have to click new, and if you did, you would see that different fields are left blank and aren't available yet because you have to create them. However, I've already created one in mine, so mine, all I have to simply do is I go to edit and I show you the different options that I have here. So the first thing that you obviously do is you're going to put your author's name in, the last name, comma, first name, middle initial, and then if there's other authors, you would add them as needed. You have the title of the book listed here, and then under the next line you're going to have the year, and then you're going to have the city, and then you're going to have your publisher. And then once everything is established and everything looks good, you're going to click OK. Now you have your list of your citations you're going to use. In this particular instance, I have one because I'm doing this for a simple demonstration on one sentence. So now I go down to the bottom and I close this out. And once I do, now I'm ready to insert my citation. And then you go back up to the ribbon here under references again. There's a drop down for insert. You open that and you will see my citation that I had created. Now, if there was multiple, you'll see a list of all the different options that would be available, but I only have the one. And so I simply click on that and it adds it to the end of the sentence. Now, remember in the introduction, we talked about how you as a student are responsible to ensure that this is in correct format. Well, here it's not in correct format because we have a direct quote and it requires a page number. So in order to fix that, we would just simply click on the actual citation itself. You have the drop down here. You open that up and you go to Edit Citation. Once you go to Edit Citation, you have an option here to insert the page number, which we will do, and we insert the page number as needed. There, now the citation is correct. This is the end of our demonstration. Thank you.